Hey guys, my name is Sumit Patel, and here I am talking about Make in India versus Make for India. Make in India was launched by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 20. What is Make in India? Make in India is a national program which aims to improving the infrastructure, facilitating investment, fosters development, protect IPR, and basically turning India into a manufacturing hub. We already heard these words for our, but what exactly is changing? This time we have a holistic way to looking at Make in India. For first, we streamline our processes. We want to convert we want to convert India from a license rate to an actually business country. So all the licenses can be now obtained from online, and their business portals are available, and whatever a country or a company needs is provided by the government without any type of hustle. And in the infrastructure point of view, they are focusing on the making industrial cities, industrial corridors, and smart cities. After Make in India, Make for India came, and RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan said that Make for India is better than Make in India. Raghuram Rajan also said that Make for India, three cautions are keep in mind. First is export-led strategy. Second is import substitution. Third is picking sectors. For in the Make for India, where manufacturing and assemble both are done in India, so that is called Make for India. For the clearance of your doubt, Make in India and Make for India, I have one example. One bottle of Maaza and one chips packet. Maaza bottle is example of Make in India, where raw material is come from outside and assemble in India, so that is called Make in India. And chips packet, that product is call is Make for India, because the raw material and assemble both are done in the Make in India, mainly focusing on the attracting foreign investors towards the Indian manufacturing sectors, whereas Make for India is a domestic factors production. In Make for India, all the manufacturing units are in India. Nothing will be imported. All the necessary raw material is produced in India. By this pattern, China is successful, and they exports their products to all over the world. Manufacturing sector's contribution to GDP is 25%, and it employs 25% of country's workforces. For the successful of Make in India, administrations and governments need to partner